Alberuni is another favorite of UPSC, and they tend to ask question on Alberuni also. Like in 2003, they ask a question to write on short note on science, Alberuni on science in India, and in 2007 they asked a question which was a lengthy question. It was like this: attempt a critical essay of Indian science and civilization in the light of Alberoni's writing. What merit and drawback you find in his accounts? After 2010 also, a question came on Alberoni in form of short note. So any day you can get question from Alberoni in this user services mains examination. So you can introduce Alberoni in one or two line, and you can write few facts, and then you can start writing the content. Alberoni's book was Tariqul Hind, and he was a person of various talent. He was a sociologist, he was a historical, he was a historian, he was a person who had a great interest in science, culture, society, religion. Basically, he was a learner, and he came with Mahmud of Ghazni, but he stayed here and learned about the society and economy of India. He gave various writings on socio-religious condition and science in India, but also he told about the shortcomings in those, and also praised. He was in love with Indian mathematics. So he praised Aryabhatta, geometry, number system, decimal system, their usage, square root, cube root. Also, he was influenced with the writings of Bhaskar and Brahmagupta. He told that Arabians learned algebra from Indians, and he told that these number system, decimal system were used in India since century. Also, regarding chemistry also, he told us about various dyes usage. He told about the usage of blue color. He told that about metals, alloys, bronze, brass, etc., which were used since centuries. He told that Indians know to make various acid bases and salts and their usage. In the field of anatomy also, he influenced by the Indian medicine system. He wrote that uh, Atharvaveda describes about the healing ways and medicine. But here he says that the magical charms have resulted in the low discovery of the science of medicine. In social arena also, he gave various account on animal slaughter ban and marriage. He told that marriage in India is prevalent in low age. He told about the gifts which is given in marriage. He wrote about Stridhan. He told that polygamy, caste marriage, the Brahman's way of marrying. He told of the death rituals and food habits, where he says that in South India people eat on palm leaves. Also, he told about the land revenue system, where he gave a vague account of the land revenue was near 1 by 6 of the produce. Apart from these benefits, the clarity and the Alberoni's account had some shortcoming. He was critical of Indian society, and he relied on historical texts. So various aspect of his writing has had the impact of the texts which he read in India, be it Shastras or Vedas. Also, he landed in to the Western India, so his account focused more on the practices involved in the western side of India. He he overlooked various positive aspects of Indian society, maybe because he experienced some bitter he had some own bitter experience where he says that foreigners were not respected in India, which is not true, because various foreigners since time came to India and praised in the about the hospitality of Indians. So you can write likewise about the Alberoni's way of understanding of India, his various aspect and his shortcoming. Thank you. Stay tuned. We will be discussing more questions and more questions. Thank you.